Today on Chris Does What, we're going to show you how to prime your engine oil pump with a screwdriver and a drill, saving you lots of money because these prime tools are expensive. And hit the like button. That will help make more content so we can show you how to do other things. So y'all stay tuned. So the first thing you have to do is find a screwdriver that will reach down through the hole where the distributor goes and turn that oil pump. This one was long enough for me, so I took a grinder and I cut it off. And I know these things, these prime tools on Amazon are 15 to 50 bucks, so much cheaper. Then you take and you put your newly fashioned prime tool in your drill, like that. Be sure to turn it on slow speed because it doesn't actually take that much speed to prime your oil. Also, an engine oil pressure gauge will help as well. So this will actually read 500 pounds of oil pressure. Leave a link down below. And then we have our oil pressure gauge right here. We haven't tested this whole engine for oil. To spin up my oil pressure with my drill, I just cut a screwdriver off and then stuck that in the groove. So we're getting oil pressure there. That's about, let's say about 25 pounds. We're golden there. So if this video was helpful for you, hit the like button. If you like our content and want to see more of it, subscribe. And if you're looking for great eats, good recipes, or you just want to read some of the stuff I write on boats and better living and house maintenance and crap, go check out our blog at chrisdoeswhat.com or diningwithdanielle.com. Takes you to the same spot, but Dining with Danielle takes you directly to the recipes, and she produces new recipes weekly. I may write slowly, releasing blogs every 2 or 3 weeks. And y'all please take care.